I'm WSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. We had to issue a yellow weather alert for Tuesday. We have morning showers and then some afternoon storms. They're going to move through very quickly. It's not going to be a washout of a day. So here's what we're talking about. We're looking at showers in the morning on Tuesday and then afternoon storms. And some of those could be heavy. A few could be heavy. And then more late March on Wednesday. We're back in the 50s. And then another yellow weather alert likely for Thursday. Another cold rain coming on Thursday. All right, let's go through the threats and the impacts. So the threats on Tuesday, storms, moderate. In terms of high winds, that's low. Tornadoes pretty much off the table. And hail, all but off the table at this point. The atmosphere is not conducive to either one of those. So the impacts, well, if you're trying to take a walk, yeah, you have to dance around the showers and storms. Flooding, not a problem. Falling trees, power outages low, but on the table still, but not likely. So 6 a.m., in fact, we start out with sunshine on Tuesday. Temps in the 40s, not that cool. And then by 9 o'clock, now we see some light showers developing, especially west of town, and temperatures in the 50s, 56 D.C., 52 Gaithersburg. By 1 o'clock, now we're seeing the red and the orange. You see that? So those are some of the heavier storms. And it is more likely to see severe weather north and east of town as opposed to south and west. I know that's counterintuitive, but that's the way things are setting up on Tuesday. We're in the mid-60s by afternoon. Look how fast these things fly through here. I mean, by the time we get to 3 o'clock, they're already in southern Maryland. They've weakened a little bit. And by the time we get to, say, 6 o'clock, they're gone. They're across the bay, across the Delmarva, out to sea. By 6 o'clock, temperatures upper 50s to around 60. And we're setting the stage for another cold night Tuesday night. It will clear out and maybe a frost and a freeze again. So, yellow weather alert Tuesday. Morning showers, afternoon storms. Chilly again Wednesday, yeah, more late March. And then probably yellow weather alert Thursday for rain and showers. And we'll be lucky to get out of the 50s to 60. All right. Friday morning showers, but the day is going to be pretty good. Then we're looking at Saturday, some showers and storms, but not a washout, mainly in the afternoon. And then a few showers on Sunday, not a washout. We're in the upper 60s, near 70, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then cooler again Monday with, yep, you guessed it, more April showers.